Hey, Joseph here with Spotlight Electric. We're going to show you what we did to achieve that look. Let's go. Step one, ensuring your conduits are in place in the stair risers. We got a bunch of them here. They're going to be in a planter that we're taking back to our electrical room. This is the opposite side of the stairs where we're going to have a junction box in our planter with a conduit running to our other planter on the opposite side, as you can see right there. And then again, back to our electrical room where we'll have our drivers. We always measure our strips to ensure they're the exact same length on the steps so that the way that the light hits the steps is consistent throughout. We've also used heat shrink on our cables to ensure that they do not come off in the future. Wiring our drivers, they're dimmable because we want to be able to dim these lights, and we are testing them before we pull our wire back into the conduits. Obviously, this is a tricky part, so you do require two people. We also had a bit of a hard time getting our heat shrink connections into the conduit. We got it, but it was a little tricky. You don't want to pull too hard because if you damage that connection, obviously your night's light is not going to work. We left about a finger width gap between the wall and the edge of our light. You can see the backyard is starting to come together. We also used PL or construction adhesive to hold the light in place in that little channel. We've done it all the way around, wanting to ensure that we have no issues in the future. And now we've got some planters going in, some trees, it's starting to come together. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the final result. Obviously, we were thrilled with how it turned out, and so were our client. And to be honest, it looks even better at night.